Alright guys, so just a recap of what we learned today. 6 basic trig functions. Sine, really quick, sine stands for cosine, sine stands for opposite over hypotenuse. Cosine is adjacent over hypotenuse. And we have tangent equals opposite over adjacent. So tangent is opposite over adjacent. The next 3 are cosecant, and that's the reciprocal of sine. So we have hypotenuse over opposite. Then we have secant, which is the reciprocal of cosine. So we have hypotenuse over adjacent. Then we have cotangent, which is the reciprocal of tangent. And that's adjacent over opposite. Keep that in mind. All right, so here, for example, we have triangle ABC. We know triangle ABC is a right triangle. I know that angle B is 20 degrees. This side here, side AC is 12. I want to know what this side is. I'm going to call this lowercase c. This side here is lowercase a. So, to find what the hypotenuse is here, I have to use what I know so far. I know 20 degrees. I know its opposite measurement. And I'm looking for the hypotenuse or the adjacent. So think about these 3 ratios here. Which one could I utilize? Sine, cosine, or tangent? I'm thinking I'm going to utilize sine because sine is equal to opposite over hypotenuse. Okay, so there's a few ways I can tackle this problem. First way is, well, I can multiply both sides by c to isolate c. So that will give me c times sine of 20 degrees equals 12. And then from here what I can do is I can divide everything by sine of 20 degrees. So I have c equals 12 divided by sine of 20. So 12 divided by sine of 20 degrees, and that's equal to roughly about 35.09. All right, so that's lowercase c, which is this one here. So 35.09 depends on what the book is asking you to round to. All right, so we have C. Since we know this is a right triangle, I know one leg, I know the hypotenuse, I have to find out what A is so I can utilize this formula here. That's one way you can do it. Or you can use one of these right here. So I have this degree, I have that angle, and I'm looking for A. So you can use cosine. Cosine of 20 degrees, that's equal to A, adjacent, over hypotenuse. I already know what that is. So to get A by itself, simply multiply both sides by 35.09. 35.09. You get A equals 35.09 times cosine of 20, and you get about 32.93. So using the trig ratios here, I was able to find the value of C and A. You can use these ratios for any other problem involving a right triangle. So make sure you guys keep that in mind when looking at triangles. Hopefully this makes sense. Replay as many times as you want to, and let me know if you have any questions. All right? Take care.